Happy Friday from the KVUE Storm Team. Want to kind of give you an update on what we're expecting for the rest of today and over the weekend as rain is in the forecast. Here's the latest radar this morning. We've got some scattered showers, even some embedded thunderstorms coming in from the south and southwest. The front passed through the region much earlier this morning around 2 a.m., but behind it some elevated showers and a few rumbles of thunder have developed. This will be weakening as we roll through the rest of the morning, with the main activity focused along and ahead of the stationary boundary in South Texas, even parts of South Texas having a chance for maybe some strong to severe thunderstorms, although the chance is pretty small this afternoon for points, along and back off towards the south of I-10. Our hour-by-hour forecast, just a few isolated showers this afternoon, but again, the main threat for showers and storms down in South Texas. As we head towards tonight to tomorrow morning, that front will begin to back up as a warm front, and that's going to be the focus of additional showers and storms, especially tomorrow mid-morning into the early afternoon. There's 11 a.m. with some showers and storms around, and that continues scattered in nature through the afternoon. And then on Sunday, we may have some light to moderate rain in the morning, but better chances of heavy downpours and even a few strong storms a possibility late Sunday into Sunday night into Monday, with this area of low pressure coming in out of the west. So the bottom line, a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. We've got the frontal boundary that's stationary. That's acting as a trigger today, and this area of low pressure coming in out of the west. That's kind of trigger number 2 to see additional rain chances Sunday into early Monday. So for this afternoon, an isolated shower or two, 75 for the high, cool. As we head towards tonight, mostly cloudy and 61. And a check of the allergy count for today with high amounts of oak, other spring trees, and also molds. As we head towards the weekend, again, scattered showers, even a few storms on Saturday. We'll have some light to moderate rain for the Cap 10K. Organizers for the Statesman Cap 10K say it goes on rain or shine. They actually need to have some lightning, thunder, something threatening for them to cancel it. But I think the thunder and the heaviest downpours holds off until late Sunday night into Monday morning, and then a break here late Monday into Tuesday of the rain. Isolated showers possible Wednesday, and then some showers increasing late Thursday with another front. So we'll keep you updated throughout the day and throughout the weekend right here on KVUE.